Hi everyone, Don Davis, War Aircraft Replicas. I have a little trouble with Facebook live video. I'm trying to get to where I can do that so we can kind of promote the videos and get some participation and comments in an event. So I'm just working out the kinks. By the way, I'm here in the War Shop. It's a very cool 100 degrees, 45% humidity. It's only 99 outside, so it can't be all bad. Our friends in Texas, of course, will laugh hysterically because it's only 100 in the shade there. I wanted to get back on the rudder pedal attach assemblies. You can see we have those done. They're pretty straightforward. I have not attached them to the floor attachments and into the 109 yet. I am waiting on some small drilled bolts so we can secure the castle nuts in there, so we don't have to worry about those ever again. Certainly not a good thing to try to fix or to worry about in flight. Those will come in, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, aircraft spruce. There's also a little bit of delay. I ran out of oxygen with the acetylene rig. However, we got a new bottle of oxygen. You're gonna like the next video. I'll leave that for a little bit surprise. However, we are not going to do metalworking in the next video. A little teaser for you, but once I do get the correct bolts in, we'll be looking for, of course, smaller AN3 bolts that are drilled, so we can put the cotter pin in there, and with a castle nut on top of it, then we don't have to worry about things coming unhooked at the wrong time or unplanned. Again, fairly simple. Use scrap material here in the shop. It's 4130 steel tubing. This it was scrap. These straps are 90 thousandths, 4130 90 thousandths. Very intuitive on the plans. Have a whole lot of these already pre-made. This one is not going in the plane. What we have is already installed, cleaned up, no rust, and painted with self-etching primer, which is what these are painted with as well. I'll put a little black paint on them at some point before I go stick them in there to make it all look nice and pretty. Very easy, but just a couple of things that delayed the completion here. You're going to find as you build stuff that the little things are going to hop out, and life and family and that type of stuff, it works its way in there too, which of course it should. Well, that's it, everybody. Have another announcement too to make this evening. We're in process of scanning the P40 plans so we can offer those on the website. We're kind of at the mercy of the printer in town, and whatever type of schedule they have it takes as long as it takes. But I'm just thankful we have somebody who can do the full-size plans, as not many places are left that are even willing to tackle it. Those will be out soon. We'll have a little bit more promotional on the way. As soon as I get a date to put those out, we'll kind of celebrate that a little bit. And again, we'll finish up the video series here with the install of these pedal brackets. Well, that's it. Sure is hot out here, but hey, who cares when you're having a good time building a war aircraft. Everyone have a good afternoon and stay safe.